So good evening, everyone. Today we are starting our conditional sentences. In this conditional sentences, we'll talk about almost all the different types of conditions. So many times in our regular talk, we say, in Hindi we say, agar ye hota to kitna acha hota, agar wo hota to kitna acha hota. We talk about that. So in English also, we speak these kind of sentences, if this happens, then what would happen? If this happened, then what would have happened? So we'll talk about this. Let's go ahead and try to learn what are conditional sentences. And today we'll talk about all the types. And today you might have to write. And when you write, you should write so fast. Although I'll be giving you the PDF, don't worry about it, but it is important to write. Okay, so please look at the screen right now. Look at the screen. If you want to make in your copy, make it in this way. Left hand side, you can see there are 0, first, second, third. These are the types. These are the types of the sentence. And we will talk about the clause. Clause. 0 clause, first clause, second clause, third clause. We'll talk about the different types of conditions. Condition and clause, those are almost same. So if I say clause or condition, it means the same. So let's see, whenever we make 0 type sentences, 0 conditional sentences, first and second and third, what type of sentence we use? So you can see when we speak 0 type, we use if and present simple. If we use first type, then also we use if and present simple. When we use second, in that case also no, sorry, in this case we use if and past simple. If and past simple. Third condition, we say if and past perfect. If and past perfect. So these are the clause. Now I will tell you the sentences, you will understand. See, there are many people, they don't know what are clause. I'll tell you what are clause. Suppose the first is if and present simple. Present simple means the sentence which is in present, जो sentence है वो present में होगा और एक ही verb होगा उसमें. There will be only one verb. If I go to market, if है, if plus present simple. So if I go to market, if I am a teacher, if I do exercise. So these are present simple sentence, or we call it present indefinite sentences. Present indefinite sentences. Okay. So let's see more about it. Okay, look at the sentence. So if and present simples, and suppose it is a 0 type sentence, the sentence could be if you wake up in the morning. So here you see, if you wake up in the morning, there is one if is there and only one verb is there. If you wake up in the morning. Let's go for the first type. This would also come with if and present simple. The same kind of sentence. If she goes to church every Sunday. If she goes to church every Sunday. Second type is bit different. If and past simple. So past simple is also same as present simple. Here also we use one verb. Okay. So let's go ahead and see. So past simple, suppose if I say, if I won a lottery, agar main lottery jeet pata, if I won a lottery, so this is also past. This is also past. Third type. So please, these are the types, okay? Third type is if past perfect. Past perfect. For example, if they had studied well, if they had studied well, if they had studied well, so we can use the clause in this way. These are the clause. इसे हम लोग clause बोलते हैं. Zero type clause, first type clause, second type clause, third type clause. These are the different types of clause or condition. Okay, let's go ahead because conditions. हम लोग हमेशा हम लोग वो यही बोलते हैं, अगर ये होता तो वो होता या वो हो सकता था. So अगर होता, सो वो कंडीशन गया. अब क्या हो सकता है? अगर ये हो तो क्या हो सकता है या क्या हो सकता था? सो नाउ विल टॉक अबाउट द रिजल्ट. द रिजल्ट क्या हो सकता था? So let's see, you will understand. So now we'll talk about, okay, the clause are there. You have already mentioned the clause. So if simple present, this you have already written down. Okay, now we'll talk about main clause. So main clause and result both are almost same. The main clause, the result, अगर ये हो तो क्या होगा? जो मेन क्लॉज होंगे उनके जो टाइप्स होंगे वो होंगे प्रेजेंट सिंपल, फर्स्ट टाइप में होंगे विल एंड इन्फिनिटिव और विल एंड, ये इन्फिनिटिव को हम लोग मदर फॉर्म भी बोलते हैं. सो यू इफ यू आर राइटिंग infinitive, you can also say mother form. Okay, mother form. Will plus mother form or will plus infinitive, both are almost same. Would plus infinitive, would have plus past participle. See, I'm giving you the formulas. Once you know the formulas, it will be easier for you to speak these sentences. Okay, now we'll write the sentence. The main clause are written there. Present simple, will and mother form or infinitive. Would plus mother form or infinitive. Would have plus past participle. So now we have got the whole formula. अभी formula हमारे पास है कि कैसे sentence बनेंगे. We all know that. Okay. So now let's go. So suppose the same sentence which I told you, जो आज sentence हमने start किया था, let's go with that sentence. If you wake up in the morning, now we'll go for the present simple sentences. Okay, so suppose anybody who would like to add this sentence, कोई है जो इस sentence को बोलना चाहेगा अपने language में, present simple में ही होगा. Okay, let's go to Bindu. Yeah, Bindu, can you tell me the sentence? What?
If you wake up in the morning, you reach office on time.
You reach office on time. So there is only one verb. Absolutely right. This could be one of the right sentence. Yogita, you want to say?
Yes, sir. If you wake up in the morning, then you can do exercise.
You cannot use can. You can only use one verb. The formula says there will be one verb only, present simple.
Okay.
You cannot use can. यहाँ पे आप can नहीं use कर सकती.
Okay. If you wake up in the morning, you reach to school.
You reach school. Yeah, that could be one of the sentences. Okay, let's see. I'll come to everyone one by one. I have mentioned, what I have mentioned, I'll tell you. If you wake up in the morning, present simple, I have written here, you feel better throughout. You feel better throughout. So see, there is only one verb. There's only one verb. आपको पूरा दिन आपका अच्छा कटता है. You feel better. Okay, let's go to Rakhi. Rakhi, can you tell me what could be the second sentence? If अगर आपको second sentence बोलना हो तो आप कैसे बोलोगे? If she goes to church every Sunday, the formula is given. Formula is will plus infinitive or will plus mother form. Try करो. Will तो होगा, sentence में will होगा और एक verb होगा. I told you to try. I did not tell you to speak correct.
Yeah, yeah.
Right? Yeah.
Yes.
If she goes to church every Sunday,
She
क्या हो सकता है?
Sunday. She will pray properly.
She will pray properly. ठीक है, sentence का मतलब या ना construction is right. Construction is right. थोड़ा और उसको हम लोग meaningful बना सकते हैं. Yes, Tomali, you would like to add something?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
She will continue her prayer.
She will continue her prayer. Very good. Wonderful. Okay. Here I have written one sentence. This is my sentence. So you can change your sentence. Only there will be two verbs. ये दिमाग में रखना पड़ेगा आपको. Okay. So I have written, if she goes to church every Sunday, she will come out from anxiety. She will come out from anxiety. So you can see there are two verbs. Will has come here and infinitive means mother form has come here. So you can say this also. Okay, let's go for the next sentence. Tanushri Bhattacharya, can you tell me the next sentence?
If I won a lottery, I would buy a flat.
Okay, you would buy a flat. Okay, that's very good. You got the point. So here I have written, if I won a lottery, अगर मैं lottery जीतता, past की बात है ये, ठीक है? Past simple. If I won a lottery, I would buy a BMW car. I would buy a BMW car. So guys, these are the conditional sentences. Okay, let's go for the next condition. The third condition, if, then past perfect. If they had studied well, let's go to Ritu Sinha. Ritu.
If they had studied well, they would have passed the exam.
They would have. So because the formula also says would have past participle, yes, we can also say the right that kind of sentence, that they would have got better life. They would have got better life. Very good. So these are the conditionals. First, second, sorry, zero, then first, then second, then third. And you have to remember all these conditionals. These are very, very important. And we use it in our daily life. Okay, so let's go for the next thing to learn here. Okay, the same thing. If you wake up in the morning, you feel better. So these are the same sentences what I have just now told you. So now the first sentence is, it talks about the condition, and the next sentence, the connected sentence, it talks about the results. Okay, so condition and then result. But while you speak or while you write, the best part is you can start with the result and then condition also. For example, you know, you want to say, yeah, I would buy a BMW car if I won a lottery. So यहाँ पे मैंने क्या किया, condition को बाद में बोला. So you can also do the same thing. You know, most of the time we start with if, but if you start with the result, that is also possible. That is also possible. Okay, so yes, let's go ahead and learn something more. So guys, now see this two conditions, zero and first condition. This zero and first condition, they talk about real incident or real thing or possible things. जो possible है, जो real है, ऐसा होता है. If you wake up in the morning, you feel better. ऐसा होता है. That is real. अभी भी हो सकता है अगर आप चाहो तो. If she goes to church on Sundays, she will feel better. So this is possible. This is real. But when you speak conditional second and third, that is different. So suppose this is the condition and this is the result. So the first thing, if I won a lottery, so this is something which is not real. अगर मैं जीतता, मतलब ये real नहीं है. I'm just thinking कि अगर ऐसा होता. So we use this condition with second and third condition when we talk about any not real thing or imaginary thing. Imaginary things. Yes. Okay. Okay. The past participle of get is got or gotten. Okay. So आप दोनों use कर सकते हो, got also or gotten also. Both sentences are right. Okay, let's go for the next sentence. You look at the sentence, if I don't leave soon, we will miss our train. If I'm late for work again, I might lose my job. I would like to ask one question. This question is the most easiest question, but it may be tricky also. Nobonita will come and Nobonita will say, Nobonita, can you tell me this conditional sentence is a zero conditional, one conditional, second or third?
It's a third condition, sir.
Third condition. Okay, Sharmila, can you tell me?
Condition, sir. Second.
Sir, type 1.
Type 1.
Yes, sir.
Type
Because-
1.
Because will and might is there. That's why it is type 1.
Okay, see, this is a type 1 conditional. Guys, I just want to tell you now you should be so much expert identifying the conditions. अगर आप identify नहीं करोगे तो आप बोलोगे कैसे भाई? If you can't identify, then how can you speak? So you should know, I have already shown you what type of sentences we see, what type of formula. Please think about the formulas which I have told. The first formula was present simple and present simple. The next formula was, you know, present simple and future, means will or would. The next was past. So we have to remember all these conditions. Okay, let's go for the next. Okay, now can Anita Bodra, can you tell me this condition is which condition?
Zero conditional.
Zero conditional. Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Zero conditional. Absolutely right. Zero conditional. Zero conditional. Zero conditional. Don't worry, I will be giving you the PDF to everyone by today night only. So you don't have to, even if you don't want to write, you can't write, but I want you all to write for a practice. So don't write everything. You will be getting the PDF. Okay, let's go for the next sentence. Okay, unless. So many times, so many people, they ask me, sir, what is the function of unless? Although we use this word so many times, but so many, you know, they feel confused when we use unless. So I'm giving you a very easy formula to understand how you can use unless. Normally we use unless when we talk about if not. If we talk about if not. Agar aisa nahi ho, you know. For example, let's see the sentence, you will understand. If you don't get an invitation, you can't come to the party. If you don't get an invitation, you can't come to the party. Suppose yahi sentence ko agar aapko unless lagana ho, if you have to put unless, then what will be the sentence? Yeah, Dipanita, can you tell me the sentence? If you have to put unless, what will that sentence be?
You can't come to the party unless you get an invitation.
Okay, that's good. That's very good. That's very good. But in this sequence, if is there when you are starting the sentence, so you will start the sentence with unless. So guys, please understand where we are using if not, you can use unless. Unless you get an invitation, you can't come to the party. Very good. So these are the ways we can use unless also. So here you can see we are using in this sentence, if we don't get an invitation, we can't come to the party. So this is a type 1 sentence. This will come under type 1 sentence, and we can use unless also. Okay, so if you know conditions, if you know conditionals, then you can use unless. This word we can use in our sentences. Okay, let's go for one more sentence here. Very good. We have got a wonderful sentence here. Shikha has written, unless you work hard, you will not pass. Very good. Let's see one more sentence. If this program doesn't load, I won't be able to finish my work. So suppose if you have to speak the sentence, Suman Soni, can you tell me the sentence with unless?
Yes, sir. Unless this program does, unless this program load, I won't be able to finish my work.
Again, repeat, again, repeat.
If this, unless this program load.
Not that confident. Yeah, Kanchan
Program
Tiwari, will
loads.
you add something?
Yes, yes.
If this program.
Yeah, go ahead.
is the program.
Unless
This program loads.
unless
Just a
this
minute.
program does
Okay.
load,
Again, repeat, Kanchan.
unless this program does load, I would not be able to finish my work.
No. There's a slight mistake. Yes,
Unless
let's
this
go to.
program loads. Unless this program loads, I won't be able to finish.
Okay. Let's see the answer. The answer is unless this program loads,
Yes,
I
sir.
won't be able.
Yes.
हाँ तो सुमन जी कहाँ से आया आंसर आपके दिमाग से?
No, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Okay, yes.
very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Mm. Okay, you know the best part is you all have your children, you know, आजू बाजू रहते हैं क्लास के सामने. कभी कभी आपके बच्चे लोग भी मम्मी ये आंसर होगा, हो सकता है ना कभी कभी यहाँ से आंसर आ जाए. Okay, so but
But
try
not this
to
time,
answer.
sir.
No, okay, so Manjit, and I'm just telling you that we are, you
Okay,
people are so
yes.
you know, so fortunate that you have a lot of people to help.
Oh,
Okay, let's go ahead for
yes,
the
sir.
next sentence. So unless this program loads, you know, you can use this unless because it sounds so good when you speak English. This sounds very natural when we use these kind of sentences, you know, like unless this program. So unless is a wonderful word to start the sentence. Okay, let's go for the next sentence. Okay, so till now we have done zero conditional, first conditional, second conditional, third conditional. So what are the differences between zero conditional? Suppose the sentence is, if I have time, I work out. So it's always true. But in case of first conditional, the sentence will be, if I have time, I will work out. So these are the minor differences, you know. So it talks about the future situation, which will happen or which may happen or which can happen or which might happen. So you can use all modal verbs. यहाँ पे सारे modal verbs use होते हैं. Will, you know, might, would. You can use all these sentences. Okay, so let's go for the next sentence now. Okay, see the second conditional here. The second conditional जो होते हैं ना, वो थोड़े hypothetical condition होते हैं. I already told you, not real condition. Not real condition. The second conditional. So the condition will start with if and past simple. Already I told you. And the result you will speak with would and infinitive or mother form or might. You can use might also. Or you can use could also. This is the second conditional. Let's see the sentence. Look at the sentence. If I won the lottery, I would buy a mansion. If I won the lottery, I would buy. अगर मैं लॉटरी जीतता तो मैं एक मैंशन खरीद पाता. I would buy a mansion. This, okay. So let's see. I'll ask you one sentences. आपको बोलना पड़ेगा, ठीक है? अगर मैं थोड़ा शॉर्ट हाइट होता मेरा, या मतलब अगर मैं अगर मैं शॉर्ट होता, सो मैं हील्स पहन पाता. I'm talking about mostly those जिनके हाइट्स बहुत अच्छे हैं, बट वो लोग unfortunately they are not able to wear heels. I don't know, unfortunately or fortunately. So आप ही ज्यादा better बोल पाओगे. So suppose the sentence is that अगर मैं थोड़ा short होता तो मैं heels पहन पाता. So how would you speak this sentence with second conditional? Sudha.
If my height short, I would wear heels.
I would wear heels.
Heels.
Okay. Okay, fine. I can. Okay, Shaila, you would like to say something? If अगर मैं short होता, थोड़ा नाटा मतलब नाटा नहीं बोलेंगे, मतलब थोड़ा short होता तो या होती, so मैं heels ज्यादा पहन पाता. Yep. Try.
Can I, sir?
Yeah, Shaila, you are speaking?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
If I was short, I would have wore heels.
Again, repeat.
If I was short, I would have wore heels.
I would wore.
I would have wore.
But this is conditional second.
Okay. I
This
would
is-
wore heels.
I would wore, W-O-R-E, wore.
W-O-R-E.
Okay. There is slight issues there. Tania, you would like to add?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Tell me.
If I am short,
If I'm short. See, if I'm short. Okay.
no.
Okay.
Yes,
No, you can say if I'm
but
short also, you can say like that.
If I am short, then I like to wear.
No like, no,
Yes,
no
yes.
formula like or unlike. You can use would, you can use will. These are the the modal verbs you can use. So I've got many sentences here. If I short heighted, यहाँ पे verb कहाँ है? Vyansh, where is the verb? Ritu Sinha, if I was short, I would wear heels. Okay. Such a nice sentence Ritu has written, but a very minor mistake Ritu has done. Yeah, Neelam, you would like to speak?
Sir, I have a doubt only. Is we use rather than the place of unless?
See, now I have told you जितना उतना फिलहाल आप याद कीजिए that when if अभी आप वहां से निकल आइए, now you come out because our main topic is conditional. वहां पे I just thought कि because these sentences we start with if, so sometimes you can start with unless also. So that was the main my motto. So now you forget about it. Now come back to this situation.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Because I am outside, sir. That's why my camera is off. And
Okay. Fine, Neelam. That's fine. Okay, yeah, Nobonita, tell me.
Sir, if I became short, I would wear
अरे
heels.
यहाँ पे become नहीं, अगर मैं short हो जाऊं, ये कोई ऐसा कुछ थोड़ा, अगर मैं short होता. Condition 2. Okay, Shilpa, tell me.
If I was short,
Sir,
I would
if
like
I were
to.
short height,
I would wear a heels.
Okay, wonderful. Very nice, Shilpa. If I were shorter, if I were, always remember, never say I was. When you talk about imagination, when you talk about imagination, you cannot say I was. You have to say I were. हमेशा दिमाग में रखिए, आप कभी भी I was नहीं बोल सकते. When you talk about imagination, you always have to say I were. I were. You cannot say I was. Okay, Ritu did this small mistake. Okay, now my very important question. Suppose यहाँ पे I नहीं है. Suppose I say अगर वो short होता, तो वो heels पहन पाता. So अगर वो मतलब he or she, then how would have you gone? Yeah, Anita, you would like to say here the same sentence.
Yeah, if he were shorter, he would wear more heels.
He were. I के साथ word चलेगा, he के साथ भी word लगाओगे आप.
Yes, sir. Imaginary situation.
Okay, Shilpa, you want to say again?
If he was shorter. Sir. If
Okay,
he was shorter.
he was. Okay, Geeta Bakshi, you want to say something?
Yes, sir. If if it is in the case of you, what will be the?
You were, I were. But
Okay.
I'm talking about he. Agar he is the situation.
He was.
Right? Okay, yeah. Rupesh, what do you think? He were or he was?
Again, I want to ask you something.
Yeah, yeah.
Why we use were?
This is, you know, there's no any reason why, because this has been a format given by, you know, those people that when you talk about imagination, you should always say were. हर चीज का वो लोग reason नहीं रखा है. These are some rules and regulation you have to follow.
नहीं, you के साथ भी हम were use करना पड़ेगा.
हाँ, you तो were होता ही है. With you we always say. Oh no, sorry. There is a reason is, you know, there is a reason. I don't know you did or not. That is that we do it subject and verb agreement. As per subject and verb agreement, whenever you talk about any imaginary things, you have to use I were.
Okay. I didn't do
So see, this is the way we are learning, right? We are talking and we are learning. Okay, but my question is, if the condition is was, sorry, he. Yeah, Rupesh, you are telling something.
So it would be he was.
He was. Okay, so only, yeah, Yogita, tell me.
Sir, my answer would be if he would short.
You cannot use would here. You cannot use, because you have to use only one verb. And if you use would, आपको एक और verb लगाना पड़ेगा. So you cannot use. So यहाँ पे either was or, you know, were or is.
If he was shorter.
He was shorter.
If he was shorter, he will wear.
He will wear or he would wear. You can use he would also. Yeah, Yogita, you had certain questions.
Yes, sir. My question is, when we speak in Hindi, we always use अगर ये होता तो हम ऐसा करते. So why don't we use then in English? Like if we were, if he can listen, then क्यों नहीं यूज करते उसके साथ?
इसीलिए कि हम लोग अभी थोड़े मैच्योर्ड हो गए हैं और हमें अभी पता है कि एवरी टाइम हमें देन ये सब नहीं लगाना पड़ता है. ठीक है? So don't worry about it. We don't use. These are the format you have to follow.
My question is कि then लगाना सही है या गलत?
No, as per conditions हम लोग उसको थोड़ा भी इधर उधर नहीं करेंगे. We cannot use then. We use it because we don't know condition, but after knowing conditionals, you cannot use then because format is already made. It was not made by me. It was made by the people who handles English language.
Right.
So now we have to follow. I have to follow. हमको मन भी करेगा then लगाने का. I cannot do that.
Fine.
Okay?
Got it.
हम लोग लगाते हैं, लोगों को समझ आ जाता है. That doesn't mean that we are right. And that is the reason we are doing these classes, so that we should know what is right.
Absolutely. sir.
If you use then, nobody will say you are wrong, because very few people, they go through conditionals. Okay, so then is not right in that case. Okay, now please listen, very important part. When you are using he or she and you talk about imagination, you have to use were. You cannot use was. Always remember this. Even, you can say if he were, if she were. You cannot say if he was whenever you talk about any imagination. Agar wo short hota, if he were short. You cannot say if he was short or she was short. Okay. So this is a very small things, and we do mistakes here. We don't do big mistakes. We do these small mistakes. And that is the reason people don't catch us that we are making any wrong sentence. So unko lagta hai yaar itna अच्छा से बोल ही रहा है यार. So that's the main thing. Okay, let's go for the next. Okay, this is a song. Don't write the song. This is a song. You can see the song. If I were a rich man, yeah, ba deba 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 dum all day long, I would. So this is again condition number 2. Absolutely right. So see, even the songs have been made in such a way. Everybody we follow this. Okay, you can search in the YouTube. Kabhi bhi time mile. This is also a song. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead.
Sir, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yes.
in conditional one, can we use would and could?
No. Oh, one.
No.
Yes. One. We can.
We can use.
We use would. We use might. We use will. We can use all these.
Okay.
Yes. If
Thank
I
you.
were you, I wouldn't worry. If I were you, this is conditional 2 again. If I were you, कितना अच्छा सेंटेंस. अगर मैं तुम्हारे जगह होता, तो हम लोग कैसे बोलते हैं इस चीज? If I was you तो होगा ही नहीं. If I were you, अगर मैं तुम्हारे जगह होता. Okay, so normally what we say, if I will be in your place, हम लोग ऐसे बोलते हैं. If I was in your place, if I will be in your place. So don't make your talk long. If I were you, simple sentence. If I were you, you're when you know something, you are making the sentence more interesting and more impressive. If I were you, I wouldn't worry. मैं एकदम tension नहीं लेता. If I were you. Okay, so these are the differences between zero conditional and first conditional and second conditional. Suppose the conditional number 0 is, if I listen to music on phone, I use headphones. Suppose the same sentence you have to speak in conditional 1, then what will be the sentence? Yeah, Neha, tell me.
If I listen to music,
Same sentence if you have to speak in condition 1.
If I listen to the music on my phone, I will use headphones.
Absolutely right. I will use headphones. Geeta Lunia, can you tell me the conditional
I
second?
have a query. सर, अगर imaginary condition होता है तो कैसा भी sentence word लगेगा ही.
Yes, absolutely. If it is imagination, then you have to say were, he were.
Because they के साथ भी word लगेगा, he, she, I सबके साथ word तो
Yes,
लगेगा.
they तो were लगेगा ही. They were, you were तो लगेगा ही. He, she, I इनके साथ भी were लगेगा. Okay, yes, Geeta, tell me the second conditional.
Sir, if I listen to music on my phone, I would use headphones.
Again, there is a mistake you are doing.
If I listened, it means I used ed.
Acha, past. Okay, very good.
If I listen to music on my phone, I would use headphones.
Absolutely, she is right. If I listen to music On my phone, I would use headphones. Absolutely right. Very good. Wonderful. So these are the difference. So zero conditional means always true, never changes. It is always true statement. First condition, it talks about a specific future sentence. कोई particular time का एक sentence है जो मैं करूंगा. अगर मैं म्यूजिक सुनता हूं तो मैं हेडफोन यूज करूंगा. अगर मुझे सुनना है. Sorry. Second condition is it talks about hypothetical condition because वो तो चला गया. The time is gone. It means that becomes now imaginary. ना मैंने सुना ना मैंने हेडफोन यूज किया. Okay, so these are the small differences between zero conditional, first conditional, and second conditional. Okay, let's go for the next. Third conditional is also hypothetical, unreal condition. For example, in this sentence, you will start with if, then past perfect, and result. When you say about result, you have to use past participle like talk, eaten, ये सब use करना पड़ेगा. So उससे पहले आपको use करना पड़ेगा. You have to use would have and past participle. So I'm giving you the formula. What you have to use? You have to use if and past perfect and would have and past perfect. Now I will tell you a sentence and you have to say. Okay. So I want to ask question to Shikha. Shikha, your sentence is अगर मैं काफी अच्छे से पढ़ाई करता तो मैं एग्जाम को पास कर सकता था.
If I had studied well, I would have. Sir, repeat the.
अगर मैं अच्छे से पढ़ाई करता तो मैं एग्जाम को पास कर सकता था.
If I had studied well, I would have to pass exam.
Absolutely right. If I had studied harder or studied well, I would have passed the exam. I would have passed the exam. So this is third conditional where I'm using if and past perfect in the condition, and in result I'm using would have and then past participle. Yes, absolutely right. Okay, let's go for the next. So see the sentence, very अच्छा sentence है. बहुत समय हम लोग बोलते हैं if I hadn't tripped. Trip मतलब ऐसे ठोकर खा के गिर जाना. Okay, so the right word, ये trip is the right word. So many times we say if I fall down, ऐसे नहीं बोलते. When आप ठोकर खा के गिरते हो, we call it trip. So if I hadn't tripped, I could have won the race. कितना अच्छा sentence है. If I hadn't tripped, I could have won the race. Imagine if you know the formula, you can make the sentence so easily. So just imagine, English is not about that I know the language, but English is also about knowing some formulas. And if you know the formula, the sentence will come automatically. That's the thing. Okay, so yes, if I hadn't tripped, I could have won the race. Okay, let's go for the next sentence. So guys, this is impossible because you can't change the past. You can't change the past. Okay, so now let's go ahead. So these are the conditional, zero conditional, first conditional, second conditional, third conditional. Suppose the zero conditional is if we drive, we get there faster. If we drive, we get there faster. Get there मतलब कहीं पे पहुंचना, arrive. If the same sentence you will speak in first condition, Manisha Kashit, can you tell me the first conditional, the same sentence you change into first condition? Yes, you can do it. Go ahead.
Yeah. If I drive, I will get there faster.
I will get there faster. Let's see. If we drive, okay, यहाँ पे we है, कोई बात नहीं. If we drive, we will get there faster. Wonderful, very nice, absolutely right. Let's go for the next person whom I haven't asked till now. Manisha, you are not speaking today. What happened? Yes, Manisha.
Now for question option A, just
Yes. Okay, let's go to Debolina. Debolina, can you speak the next second conditional?
Yes, sir.
Fast, fast, fast. Today we are going to take one test also. So fast.
If we had, if we drive, if we
You have to use past. You have to use past.
drive, drove,
Yes, yes. Speak.
if we drove well, we would would be there faster.
This sentence is already written, so you should not make any mistake. Yeah, Megha Devangan, can you speak the same sentence?
Yes, sir. If we drove, we would get there faster.
Absolutely right. If we drove, we would get there faster. We all know the formulas. We are just changing the verb, nothing else. The same verbs are changing. All the sentences are remain, they are same. Absolutely. Okay, let's go for the third condition. Asha. Asha, can you tell me the third condition? The same sentence. Asha. Gone. Okay. Okay, let's go for Khushbu.
If we had driven, we would have get there faster. Got there faster.
Now,
Got there faster. We would got there
Droven.
faster.
Droven क्या होता है? What is droven?
So third form, I think if we drove.
Okay, Niti Kumari, can you tell me?
Yes, sir. If we had driven,
yes.
we would have got there faster.
Got the okay. Puram Taneja, tell me.
Got.
Yes, sir. So if we had driven, we would have gotten there faster.
Okay, that's fine. Very good. But why you people are saying driven? It's driven. If we had driven, we would have gotten there faster. Or gotten, or you can say got also. That's a different part. But you can say both. If we had driven, so it's not driven, it's driven.
Driven. Okay.
Driven. It's driven. Okay, so now we are getting into mixed type. Okay, so we have already done zero type, first type, second type, third type. Now we are going to mixed type. So please look at the screen. And this is the final one, mixed. So, okay, so we all know about second conditional. The second conditional talks about if, past simple, and would infinitive. This is the second condition. Please look at this. This is so easy. And we all know about third condition. If, past perfect, and would have, and past perfect. Is it this? This picture is clear to everyone? Show your thumbs up. It is clear. Okay. Now what you have to do when we say mix, na? So क्या करना है? अभी क्या है? A, B, and the next is C, D. Now what you have to do? You have to mix with A, C, B, D. You have to mix the whole conditional here. So suppose you see here what I am doing here. I am taking if past perfect and would infinitive. Are you understanding? This is a mixed type. I am mixing with type 2 and type 3. I'm mixing with type 2 and type 3. So here we don't need any type 0, type 1. Here what is important, type 2 and type 3. I'm taking if past perfect and would infinitive. Think about it. I'm giving you a sentence. You will understand. So this is the mixed type. If I had studied English in school, my English would be better. This is the mixed type sentence. This is the mixed of, you know, the conditional 2 and conditional 3. If I had studied English in school, my English would be better. So this is called mixed types. So exactly what is happening? Exactly, in reality, I did not study. So in reality, my English is not good. Okay, so it is a hypothetical condition. It is not real and not possible. So now in past, I did not study in English medium school. And today my English is not good. So although here we don't talk about it, this is just for your understanding. Okay. Okay, let's go for the next sentence. Okay, now I'll tell you a very good story. Once there was a couple, boy and girl. So boy thought and they were in a relationship. And boy thought that I don't want to go ahead with this girl. So boy left that girl. After leaving that girl, the boy was feeling very alone. He was so alone and he was really missing that girl. Okay, so he was really missing that girl. So now that boy is coming to that girl to impress her, that please come back. So let's see what was the dialogue that the boy was making. Baby, I love you. I can't stop thinking about you. Baby. Now, baby is now not that baby. Now this baby knows the conditional sentences. So this baby is answering, if you hadn't broken up with me, we would still be together. When we know conditional, we can answer some people very well. Okay, so yes, if you hadn't broken up with me. So here broken up means to end a relationship. If you hadn't broken up with me, we would still be together. So this is a mixed type. So you should always identify that this is a mixed type. So in reality, they broke up. In reality, they are not together. Okay, we'll talk about the questions later on. Okay, let's go for the next. Okay, suppose the picture you can see right now. In reality, there is no coat. In reality, the baby is sick. So can you make any sentence with this two reality using mixed conditional? Can anybody make any sentence using the picture right now? Yes, Sudha.
Yes, sir. If you wore jacket in Shimla, you would have not sick at time.
Are you using mixed conditional?
Yeah, yes.
This is a mixed conditional. This is a mixed conditional. Ritu Sinha.
Yes, sir.
If you had taken the coat with you, you would not be sick.
He would not be sick. Okay. Absolutely right. Grammatically, you are absolutely right. So we can say if you had put your coat on, you would not be sick. और इसको उल्टा भी बोल सकते हैं, you would not be sick if you had put your coat on. So coat on मतलब ही है कोट पहनना. Okay, so wonderful sentence. If you had put your coat on, you wouldn't be sick. You wouldn't be sick. So these are the mixed conditional. Okay, so let's go for the next sentence. So I'll be showing you one picture and you have to find out what could be the sentence. Okay, now let's go for the next way of making conditional, the mixed conditional sentence. That is, now we will take would have and if past simple. Would have and past participle and if past simple. Suppose this is the picture and you have to make a mixed conditional sentence by using if past simple and would have past participle. Who can make it? You all should make it, but still. What sentence can you make it? Debolina, you are raising hands. Yeah, tell me.
If I had more money, I would have buy the coat.
You are going good, but verb forms are not right. Asha, can you try? Your voice is not coming, Asha. I don't know why. No, it is not coming. Okay, let's go to Sharmila. Sharmila.
Yes, sir. If I had more money, I would have bought the coat.
If I had more money. Okay. I would
have bought the money.
I would have bought the money.
I bought the coat. Sorry, bought the coat.
Yeah, Sneha, tell me.
Sir, if just a minute.
Yeah.
If I had earned more income, I would have bought this coat.
Okay, see, you can only use one verb in a first sentence, right? You would earn, two verbs are coming. So I can also say, if I were rich, I would have bought that coat. Okay. I can say that also. Or if I can also say, if I had money, that is also right. If I had money, I would have bought that coat. Both are right. If I were rich, I would have bought that coat. If I had money, I would have bought that coat. So you can speak these sentences. Very good, Pooja. Very nice. Even Sudha also, you have also, even Savita. Wow, you have written this wonderful thing. If I were rich, I would have bought that coat. Very good, Savita. Wonderful. Exactly, you have written the sentence. So in reality, I didn't buy the coat. In reality, I am not rich. Okay. Now see this. This is the last sentence. So please put your mind on it. There is a birthday party and you couldn't go because you were so far, you live so far from that birthday party location. Okay, so how can you speak the same sentence? You could not attend the party, you could not attend the birthday party because you live so far. So how you can make this sentence? You raise your hand, then I'll ask you. Nobody is raising. Yeah, okay. Sudha is again raising hand. Yeah, Sudha, will you try?
If you lived here, I would have attend your party, birthday party.
Yeah, man, I said I could not attend the party because I live so far.
And that's why I said if you lived here, means near about me.
अगर तुम सामने होते, अगर तुम नियर होते, मैं उसको क्यों
हाँ,
नियर
पास
करूंगा?
में।
मैं नियर नहीं जाऊंगा उसका। उसको
Okay.
why I tell him to change his house? Okay, Ritu, what you can say?
If I were not so far, I could have attended the party.
Okay, okay. Let's see what is written here. Why didn't you come to my birthday party? Then you answer, if I lived closer to you, I would have come. Or I could have come also, you can say. I would have come or I could have come. If I had a vehicle, I would have attended the party. Yeah, Jayashree, sentence is right. Okay, so these are the ways we can do the conditional mix. If anybody has any questions, then you can unmute yourself and ask if you have any question.
So for imaginary, can we use for name? Name also we use for verb. Like if Rahul were a prime minister.
If Rahul were, आपको लगाना ही पड़ेगा, आपके पास were छोड़ के कुछ है नहीं. You have to use
Means
it.
we use name
Yes,
also.
you have to use
Okay.
were every time.
Yeah.
Be it a
Thank you.
name or pronoun, you have to use were there.
Sir, and
But
sir,
you know what we say? We never say like this. If Rahul were a prime minister, we always say if Rahul had been the prime minister, we say like this. We never say if Rahul were the prime minister or Rahul was the prime minister. So normally we don't speak like this. Normally we say if Rahul had been the manager or Rahul had been the prime minister. So इसीलिए इसका use normally were हम लोग नहीं करते हैं. We say had been in that case. If I had been in your place. Okay. Yeah. Next question.
Sir, can you show mixed sentence slide 1?
I will give you the slides after this class. So now don't tell me to go back. I'll give you that. Okay. Anything you didn't understand, you ask me. Yeah, Shivani?
Yes, sir. Sir, in the mixed first sentence, if I had studied English, my English would be. Be here we are using BEV. In every sentence we will use be.
Nahin, your
BEV.
sentence will change. Your verb will change.
so why we use be? Would be means like.
Just a minute. In which sentence you are telling? Tell me the sentence.
Yes, mixed sentence, the first sentence. First sentence of the mixed sentence.
Okay, so this was the sentence.
A and
If
C.
I had studied
Yes,
English,
Yes.
my English would be better. So what is English would be better? Hota. English better hota. So if I say something like hota, whenever we say something like hota, we can say my English would be better.
Means here BEB are used. We are using BEB as a verb.
Yeah, here it is a verb. Would be is a verb, mother form.
Yeah, I thought it is a formula, I think.
हाँ, तो formula में जो verb है, that verb it is. Would is one verb and be is one verb.
Okay, sir.
Both are verb. They both are verb. Okay, now I want to take your test. Are you ready to take test? Whatever we have done today.
Yes.
Yes.
And the best part is you are
Yes,
the
sir.
invigilator, you are the checker, you are everything. So after exam, you have to give marks to yourself. आप खुद को खुद ही mark करोगे. And please, you have to be very genuine in that case. Okay, don't give marks if your answer is not right. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the test. Start the test. Okay. Please be ready. There will be 10 questions. There will be 10 questions. You will be getting the recording link by tonight. Don't worry. So we are doing the test right now, and I'll be showing you the test. And don't write any answer in the chat box. You will be writing answer in your copy. Do not write in the chat box, please. Okay, let's go ahead. So there will be 10 question, 10 marks, 1 marks each. And this time I have got some negative marking also, and it will be all type questions. So if you do any wrong sentence, if you do anything, any question wrong answered, then 0.5 will be deducted, and everything you will be doing. I'm not going to do that. And then after, finally, you will tell your score in the chat box. I will see what is your score. So please, you should be honest, and you should, if you do wrong, then please give minus marks also. Okay, let's go ahead. The first sentence, and please don't discuss and don't use chat option. So now here we go with the first question. If we wait here, we will be late. Is this sentence, and the type is written above, type is 1. So as per type 1, this sentence goes correct or incorrect. You have to answer this in your copy. As per type 1, type 1 is already written. You have to see which type. So as per this type, the sentence is right or wrong. You can write the sentence somewhere in your copy and you can write the answer. Okay, I'm going for the next question. The next question is, if children don't eat well, they aren't healthy. If children don't eat well, they aren't healthy. This is as per type 0. This is as per type 0. I would recommend, after you are done with this, you should see the recording so that you understand where you didn't understand anything. I think here everything I have explained in this video. Let's go for next sentence, the type 2 sentence. Type 2 sentence. Now see the sentence. The sentence is, she would not talk to you if she was mad at you. She would not talk to you if she was mad at you. If she was mad at you. Okay, let's go for the next sentence. So is it a right sentence or it is a wrong sentence? You just have to write in your copy. Now let's go for the next sentence, number 4. Type mix. Type mix. This is the mix type. The sentence is, if I didn't drink water more than I required, I wouldn't suffered from hydronephrosis. So hydronephrosis. So this sentence is right or wrong? So hydronephrosis, where water gets accumulated in the kidneys, sometimes due to excess water. So you focus on the sentence. Is this sentence correct or incorrect? You just have to write in your copy. This is type mix. Again, I'm telling, don't get confused. If I didn't drink water more than I required, I wouldn't suffer from hydronephrosis. Okay, let's go over the next sentence. Question number 5, type 3. If she had taken the bus, she would not had arrived on time. अगर वो बस लेती तो वो कभी टाइमली नहीं पहुंचती. Is this sentence right or not? Okay, now let's go for the next sentence. Number 6. There are two verbs. You have to write the correct verb. There are two verbs. The first verb is forget and the second verb is starve. Starve matlab, you know, bhook se tadpna. Starve. That is the verb. This is the sentence. If she had not dashed to bring tiffin at school today, I wouldn't dash like this. This is the type mix sentences. Let's go for the next sentence. Number 7. This time I've given you two verbs, buy and have. Buy and have. Buy and have. You have to fill the blanks. My brother would dash a sports car if he dashed the money. If she dashed the money. Okay, I think you have done it. Now let's go for number 8. Tell me this sentence is right or not. Please write in your copy. It's a wonderful sentence. If she came to our clinic on time, we would have diagnosed the actual cause of her pain. Okay. So let's go to question number 9. The 9th number question. Okay, there are two verbs. First is put and second is melt. And the sentence is, if I, and this is type, okay, you must be seeing the type. Huh? I forgot to use every time. Type, you have to see the type. Type 0. If I dash an ice cream in the sun, it dash. Okay, let's go for the last sentence of the evening. This is the mixed type. You have to answer, is it a right sentence or not? The sentence is coming on your screen. If he were an employee of Google, he would have had all the reasons to live a rich life. Okay. So how was it? Was it good, easy, tough?
Sir, last one.
Sir, last one, sir.
Sir, last one, sir.
Sir, question number 6.
This is the last one. If he were an employee of Google, he would have had all the reasons to live a rich life. Any more questions?
Question number 6, sir.
Yes. Fine. So how was it? Was easy, understood? Anybody who felt a bit more challenging?